Here is a 14 millimeter, and down here is a 12 millimeter. So I'm getting this ground screw out. That's a 12 millimeter. Try and wiggle that out. Alright, so the clip was pretty easy to remove. Now it's time to install the new one. Alright, so I'm using the torque wrench to pull back the lever, and I'm using this right here to keep it from slipping. Okay, so the best thing is, when putting the alternator back in, make sure and put that bolt in first. And next I put in the small bolt. Alright. Putting in the small bolt, and then I'm going